Welcome to this week's HitmanServices.com video tech tip. Today we're going to go through some basic Microsoft Excel operators that you can use to perform various functions in Excel. We're using Microsoft Excel 2007 in this example. You may have a different version of Microsoft Excel and your interface may look slightly different, but all the commands we use will be the same. Here we've set up a fictitious lemonade stand with 5 days worth of sales data. All of the cells that are highlighted in gray will be data that we'll enter. All the other cells will be automatically generated by Excel for us based on the formula that we've put in, and I'll review here. For profit, we use a simple formula that takes C4, which is the number of cups sold on Monday, times the selling price minus the cost per cup. So we see here, if our selling price is 25 cents and our cost per cup is 15 cents, we know that that's a profit of 10 cents per cup. So for Monday, if we sell 10 cups, we have a profit of 10 times 10 cents, which is $1. And you see, based on that formula, Microsoft Excel has automatically put that information in. To put a formula in, all we have to do is the equal sign, the cell that we want, and then the function that we want. So I just have equals C4 times H3 minus H4, which is selling price minus cost per cup. The dollar signs are there to show Excel that these are static cells, and if we use the same data in different days, we don't want it to change. So for example, when we do it for Tuesday, it stays the same as H3 and H4 and not H4 and H5, etc. So we can enter fictitious data here for our sales for each of these days. Thursday was a good day. Friday was a good day too. And you can see that Excel, as I typed, automatically generated our profit for that day. We also used the sum feature to have a total automatically generated of 75 cups sold, and that's just equals sum, and then C4, which again, remember, is our Monday sales, through C8, which is our Friday sales. So that gives us a total of 75, and then it also generated the total profit using the sum feature as well, equals sum D4, which is our profit on Monday, through D8, which is our profit on Friday. The other thing that we've done here is a best day, worst day, and average sales. That's done by just doing equals max, which means the maximum value of D4 through D8. And again, in the formula, notice we do our operator and then parentheses as we're specifying multiple cells. We did a similar function for min, and then our average sales tells us obviously the average profit value that we had. Now there's many different operators that you can use in Excel. You can consult Microsoft Excel Help or the internet to learn more, but it's a great tool to use for a variety of different functions, not just a simple lemonade stand. So as always, thanks for tuning in to this week's HitmanServices.com video tech tip.